Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage, where we journey within to find clarity and peace. Today's meditation is focused on problem solving, helping you find solutions with a calm and clear mind. Take a moment to get comfortable, settle into a seated position or lie down, allowing your body to relax, and gently close your eyes. Begin to take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel any tension leaving your body. Inhale calmness, exhale any stress or worry. Let yourself sink into this moment, fully present. Now, bring to mind the problem or challenge you're facing. Imagine it as a small object that you can observe from a distance. There's no need to feel overwhelmed, just see it as something outside yourself that you can look at with curiosity and openness. With each breath, notice how this distance allows you to see the problem more clearly. Begin to release any judgments or frustrations associated with it. Shift your focus to a place of acceptance. Trust that every problem has a solution and that you have the inner wisdom to find it. As you continue to breathe, let your mind clear like a calm lake. In this stillness, invite your intuition to gently rise to the surface. Sometimes solutions come in the form of a small hint or a new perspective. If a thought, idea, or insight appears, simply notice it without judgment. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. The answers are within you, waiting to be discovered. Take a moment to affirm to yourself, I am capable of finding solutions. I am resilient. I trust in my ability to overcome challenges. Stay here for a few more moments, allowing yourself to feel empowered, knowing that clarity and solutions are already forming within you. When you're ready, bring your attention back to the room. Gently wiggling your fingers and toes. When you open your eyes, carry this calm, empowered energy with you. If this meditation helps you solve your problem or gives you any ideas on how to tackle it, Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey to solve problems with clarity and peace. Namaste.